What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually going to be doing a video. I'm going to be messing around with my hat press. Got a blank hat right here, and I also picked up, I believe it was from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but iron-on that I wanted to try out. I actually liked it with the camo and the flag, so I'm going to put it on. I never really do too many hats, but you know, today I wanted to make a little bit different video. And I made a hat video a while back, and I just figured I'm gonna put it on the hat for myself anyway, so I might as well just get the camera out. I also wanted to make a video and say I did pick who was winning the cricket. I reached out to them, so I'm just waiting to get a response back. So I'm gonna ask them if I could put their name out in a video. I'm not gonna do that to anybody yet. So obviously, if I didn't reach out to you, you didn't win. I will be doing another giveaway, probably I think at maybe 5,000 subscribers. I'll do my next giveaway. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure something out. Maybe when I get to 5,000, I'll do another one. So I'm gonna get right into, I'll get the camera set up over here, and I'm gonna show you how I put these embroidered patches onto hats. All right, guys, so I got this set up. I have, hopefully I got this in, let me make sure I got this onto the press. Let me adjust this here. All right. All right, so I got this hat. I got these in bulk. I believe I got these ones off of Amazon. You can get them in bulk from pretty much anywhere, Jiffy Shirts, things like that. Now, when I do patches, like I said, everybody's heat press is different. So what I do is I do 323 on this for 19 seconds. And like I said, I got these patches, $2. I'm just gonna, you know, I like the American flag with the camo background. So the way I do it is I put something like an old t-shirt or something over this, so it doesn't, because these rough edges right here, you'll get these square marks, which is, they go away after it cools down. I've done a bunch of hats before, but I just do that to kind of make it a little bit softer with it. Throw this back here. That way it's got something, because I'm only getting heat from up top here. I got this press off Amazon. I believe it was, I want to say it was like 170 when I got it. I have not had any problems with it. I use this press for neck tags, for sleeve prints. So what you do, you take your cardboard out. This has this little spring loaded to hold the bottom of the hat down. So I'm gonna load this up here. I'm gonna pull this up here. You don't have to, this is just what I do. I'm sure everybody else out there does it different. I just want it out of the way of what I'm pressing. If I get it. There we go. Get it centered on there. And that's what I mean, the spring thing, it just grabs onto the hat. That way it's loaded up there. I'm gonna use heat tape, Teflon paper, and parchment paper. This is just another easy way, if you don't have an embroidery machine, that you can make money. Just get one of these heat presses. Just get my tape ready. I usually go about ½ inch up from the actual beak, the brim of the hat. And then when you're done, I'll push down on all 4 corners just to make sure everything sticks. Just center that up, make sure it's good. Make sure it sits down more. The heat tape, you could also get that too. You can get that on Amazon. A lot of the stuff I use, I get from Amazon. Put this up a little bit higher here. Make sure that center when it presses down. See if I can just get away without even using that. Get a better grip on it. There we go. There we go, that's a lot better. I just eyeballed this one up because it's pretty much just, you know, a square. It's pretty easy. A rectangle, it's pretty. So I got my pressure on, firm pressure on that. Piece of carbon paper over this. I choose to use this. You don't have to. It's just what I choose to do. And I use a Teflon sheet. On there. Just watch you don't get yourself when you're coming down with it. Like I said, I let mine go for about 20 seconds, 323 I have it at. And I push down the corners when I take it off. To make sure them corners go down. You don't know how these ones from the store are. Let it cool a little bit and get my tape off here. See that? I'm gonna hit it again because that one corner came up over here. I'm only gonna hit it for a couple seconds. I hit it for another like 6 seconds. Now you could get these, you can go on Transfer Express and get these, you can go on Etsy and get patches, custom ones with your thing, Amazon. But this one, like I said, I was just in the store, I saw it, I liked it, so I wanted to throw it on a hat. But it's an easy way to get an embroidered look without having an embroidery machine. And all this, you can see where it has the mark. Once it cools down, that'll all go away. Make sure it's all good here. Yeah, there you go. I'll hold it up at the end for everybody. Alright guys, so this was just a quick video, like I said. Just doing patches on hats. If you don't have an embroidery machine, you could easily go to like Michael's, Joann Fabric, Hobby Lobby. If you just want to test your, test the waters with heat presses and stuff, or if you just want to do it for fun at home, you could still make some money with this doing, die cut patches. You can get them from Etsy, Amazon. There's tons of places. Transfer Express. There's tons and tons of places that you can get the die cut transfers. Like I said, this heat press is on Amazon. I think it was $170 at the time I bought it. I don't know what it is now. But I use this thing for neck labels, sleeves, like any type of little prints that I have, I do it on this. So I didn't get into, the embroidery yet. I would love to get an embroidery machine. I don't have the room yet. And my main concern, is on t-shirts. I'm not, making money from hats yet. Once in a while, people ask me for hats, but not like the way I get asked about t-shirts. So my main focus is t-shirts right now. But I always love messing around with other things like hats and things like that. So this is just a quick video just to show you guys that you can do that type of stuff at home. The patch was only $1.99. It's a camouflage American flag patch. I just like the way it looked. So also, like I said, I reached out to the person that won the Cricut. If they'll let me put their name out when they get back to me, I'll put their name out. So I will probably be doing another giveaway, possibly at 5,000. I'll let you know when that time comes around. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.